Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create square and portrait frames using Frame Mask. Begin by opening a new document in Photoshop. Select the Frame tool and click Drag to draw a square frame for your first image. To create a portrait frame, simply adjust the width and height ratio to a vertical orientation. Drag your images into the frames. Photoshop will clip them perfectly. Use the Transform tool inside each frame to adjust positioning and focal points. You can also duplicate frames for multiple images with the same size. For precise alignment, enable guides or snapping. Experiment with mixing square and portrait frames for dynamic layouts. Keep practicing these frame variations.